A smelly fish tank can be caused by several factors, including the presence of dead, decaying fish. To prevent this, it's essential to keep track of your fish population. So if any die, they can be removed before decomposition sets in. Dead or rotting plants inside the tank can also contribute to the odor. So regular plant health checks are crucial, and loose leaves or plants should be cleaned out before they decay. Additionally, clogged filters can lead to poor oxidation, bacterial growth, and reduced ammonia breakdown, resulting in a foul smell. To combat this, filter pads should be cleaned or replaced regularly, especially during water changes. Using too much water conditioner can also be problematic, as it contains sulfur compounds that break down and release a foul smell. Overfeeding can lead to uneaten food decomposing and releasing a bad odor. So it's vital to remove leftover food with a net or gravel vacuum and consider reducing the amount of food or switching to a type that the fish prefer. Maintaining high levels of cleanliness is key, but if the situation becomes unmanageable, seeking expert advice may be necessary. By applying these solutions, you can fix a smelly fish tank and enjoy a healthier, more pleasant environment for your fish.